What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. I am in a very unique car right now. This is the Chevy Caprice cop car. Okay? I'm assuming with the 6-liter engine, I believe. 83,000 miles. I'm assuming that's the motor it's in it, the 6-liter. Isn't that what they run in these things? They got two of them here. That one's a 12 with more miles. But I wanted to check out, and this one has a little better dash layout. Let's take it for a spin. Try not to hit the Porsche Macan next to me. That is beautiful, Macan S. Seriously, no backup camera? Man, this feels good. Only 83,000 miles. If you want to talk about a sled for Joe, this would be the proper cop car for Joe. Very nice. Got the My Link. Not sure what. There we go. Get it to the home screen. I couldn't believe it didn't have a backup camera. I was kind of surprised. Oh yeah, man, this thing's nice. Got the vinyl rear seat. I don't think this pulled any cop duty because there's no like cop crap in here. You know what I'm saying? This looks more like a detective car. Ooh, man. Throttle. Whoa. Yeah, I wouldn't want to try and outrun one of these guys. Golly. I mean, that speedometer is certified to 160. Now, I doubt it'll go that fast, but who the hell knows? It's got a ton of power. I mean, I was 50% throttle, folks. And I mean, I was just, whoa, throw you in the back. Oh, wow. Yeah. I would enjoy driving one of these if I was an officer of the law. God, this is cool. Got tons of power, my God. Tons and tons and tons. With the contemporary layout, you know, something a little more updated. I gotta see what's under the hood of this thing. Yeah, check her out. Isn't that the old, like, Pontiac G8? Or the Holden whatever over in Australia? Isn't that what this platform is? Man, those are brand new good gears on this baby, too, man. Brand new. Let's see what we got breathing under here. It's gotta be the 6-liter or something close to it. Oh, my God. Wow. Yep, it's a 6-liter. Holy crap. That thing is so badass, man. Ooh-wee. I even like the wheels, man. It's a big car. I mean, it's a big car. This is not the Caprice we could buy. We could only get the Impala. The Caprice was made for cop use only. Huge back seat. Man, prisoners had leg room for once. I've ridden back there once or twice. I know. Yep, plastic hubcaps. Look good for a plastic hubcap. Man, what a sweet running motor. 83,000 miles. Caprice Police. Sorry guys, it is so windy, I just can't do anything. Alright, what a machine. We gotta go back to, my seatbelt's not on, but I've gotta do one more little run. That was intoxicating. 50%. Ooh, baby. Oh man. This is such a cool car. Oh, I would love to have this car. Sleeper, man. Oh, jeez. I'm just barely giving it any gas. She is just too fast. Too fast. And about out of fuel. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the cut package.
Quickly, 86 on the chicken and we're short-staffed. Let's pick it up. Indeed can help him.
Radio doesn't sound half bad. Tell me what you think about the Cop. The Cop Caprice with the 6-liter. Man, what a beast monster. We'll see y'all next time. Peace. Peace.